How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can disable Instagram profile picture zoom. So what you can do is simply head over to your Instagram profile and make sure you are logged into your account. So simply click on your profile section at the bottom right corner, and once you're inside here, just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner, and under the who can see your content section, you can see here, just click on account privacy, and once you click on it, you will see two different options. One is to keep your account private, and another is allow your profile picture expansion. So all you have to do is just simply disable this allow your profile expansion option. So once you do that, just like this, people will no longer be able to zoom your profile picture. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.